Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to recover deleted videos on Android devices. We'll teach you two methods. So the first method is you have to click on your gallery option, and then here in the bottom right side you will see three lines. You have to click on it, and then here you will see recycle bin. You have to click on it, and then here you will find your deleted videos. You have to click on any video, and then you have to click on restore, and your deleted video will be restored in your Android device again. So this is the first method. For second method, you have to open Play Store, and then here you have to type deleted video recovery, and you have to click on search. You have to download and install this application. After installation, you have to open this application, and then you have to click on get started. Click on allow, and then you have to click on scan tab, and then you have to select scan videos. Here you can see the application has started retrieving our videos, and almost 10 deleted videos are found till now. And then here you will find all the deleted videos. Now you have to select the video that you want to recover. We'll select this one, and then you have to click on restore. Now you have to go to your phone gallery, and here you can see the deleted video which we have recovered right now. We'll open this video. So in the same way, you can also recover your deleted videos on Android. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.